Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can blur moving object in your video with Mosaic effect in InShot. Alright guys, here I have created a project in my InShot, and for example, I'm going to blur this object. So the first thing you have to do is clicking on the sticker button right here, and then you're going to select the detail option, and then you can select the part of the video that you want to blur. You can select the object that you want to blur, and I'm going to select this one. Okay, just place this blur effect to the part of the video that you want to blur, and then you can also select the shape right here guys. And then for me, I'm just going to select the circle. Okay, and then after that we just need to click on this check mark button, and then I'm going to adjust the length like this. I want to make the mosaic align with the video, and then we're going to click on the tracking. We want to do tracking. Just tap on tracking option, then select this option, and then just select the tracking area. Okay, and now let's just click on start tracking. Okay, and you have to wait until the process is completed. It will take a little longer. It depends on the duration of the video and the resolution of the video as well. Okay, and now the tracking is completed, and now let's just take a look at the results. So I'm gonna play the video. All right. Okay guys, and that's how we can blur moving objects in InShot. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.